Synthesys is a software that lets users convert texts to audio files with human-like voices. It is different from Google's automatic reader that sounds too fake and robotic. Synthesys uses real human voices, and it sounds like real human without that machinery rhythm and unnatural sound we have been thinking about text-to-speech software. Inside this product, you will have different kinds of voices and ages to choose from. And what you are going to do is just copy and paste. Synthesys will make the audio sound natural with human-like rising and falling tones. Features. 1. Human-like voice. We all know the jokes around Mr. Google or Mrs. Google, right? That is why, even though text-to-speech technology has existed for years, we can never use it in serious situations like marketing and customer services. With Synthesys, the old perspective about voiceover software will be changed forever. Most people do not recognize that the voices of Synthesys are actually from a PC. 2. Copy and paste. Synthesys is made for everyone, so it does not require any advanced skills from users. To be honest, it can be easier than using Facebook because all you will ever need to do is pick a voice, copy and paste your content, and click convert. That's it. 3. Budget saving. Hiring a good voice actor or actress can cost hundreds of dollars if your audio is short and thousands of dollars if you want a long recording. With Synthesys, the nightmare of going bankrupt will never happen to you. 4. Time saving. Hiring someone to make audios for you or recording yourself may take hours or days to finish. And also, with the favor of Synthesys, you can finish your job in 5 minutes after you complete your scripting. How wonderful is it, right? 5. Available with multiple choices. You may want to know if the voices available in Synthesys are suitable for your projects. Do not worry, because there are different voices such as men, women, young people, older adults, and even kids. So it will definitely be a good fit for any kind of business. Step 1. Discovery. Choose your favorite voice. There are several voice choices for you to choose, from kids to the elders and from males to females. Depending on your type of business, some of the choices can be more suitable than the other. So the first thing you need to do is deciding which one to use. For example, if your business is for middle-aged customers, you can pick a middle-aged man or woman's voice. If you offer services for mothers and kids, you can choose the kid's voice. Step 2. Create. Write your texts. After choosing your favorite voice, you should now sit down and write the content you want the platform to transform into audio. It is highly recommended that you do not use special codes or teen codes such as LOL, ASAP, or something like that, because the platform might read it wrong. When you are done with this work, the next thing to do is just copy it and paste it in the creating area. Step 3. Launch, convert to audio files and publish. Lastly, you just need to click the convert button and let the software turn all of your words into audio files. This process might take a few moments. When you have that audio on your PC, you can now freely create videos with audio files by some third-party video editing software. Pros and cons. Pros. Simple to use. Reasonable price. Time saving. Multiple choices. Human-like voices. Cons. Do not have enough kid voices. Price and evaluation. The price of Synthesys is $67. Slightly higher than the lowest price of most other products. But in general, this is a reasonable price with the extraordinary and exceptional benefits it can bring you. Do I recommend this product? Yes, I highly recommend it. There is very little high-quality text-to-speech software in the marketplace nowadays. If your need is to create videos without paying for voiceover services or recording yourself, then do not miss this opportunity to try Synthesys.